Hello, everyone. I'm Mike Anderson from Collision Advice, and this is my great friend, Danny Gredenberg from the DEG. And we are so excited to be working with SCRS to bring you a brand new series of quick tips to help you to boost your business.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to talk about something pretty common that we run across in the repair planning stage. Is it included or is it not included? Do we need additional clarification on this topic? And on a recent DEG inquiry 18825, the repair was replacing a trunk lid, and the question came about, is the actual removal or the transfer of the weather strip that's attached to the body included with the component itself being replaced? So they submitted an inquiry, and again, when we looked into the P pages, the question from the repairer was, is the weather strip included or not included when replacing the trunk or liftgate itself? So we verified this information in the P pages, and it only states that it's included when the weather strip is attached to the lid. We additionally submitted this to the information provider, and they clarified that the weather strip is not included, and they also updated the database to reflect that it's a non-included operation when replacing the trunk lid or the liftgate itself. So again, with an inquiry like that, it helped clarify, it helped change the database, it helped correct the database, so that way it's more accurate and more reflective of what the repair is being done. So I hope this tip helped you. Have a great day. If you find these tips helpful, please subscribe, like, and share, and comment below for any future suggestions. Thank you for watching.